When digital marketing is combined with attraction marketing and it all runs through an automated funnel, life just becomes simpler. By now, you must already know that I started this with zero experience. But if you're new here, my name is Ruan and I'm a 38-year-old South African. And before August 2024, what I knew about the online world was actually scary. I knew how to Google, I knew how to send emails. That's it. But I also knew I wanted a way to make money online, earn from home, and spend more time with my loved ones. So just like a proper education, I got myself an e-learning program. Now you might know, if you've done online learning, that when you buy a course, you learn on your own time. And when you're done with it. But that's where this one is different, because it's an ongoing course. You learn and earn every single day. And that's exactly the beauty of this. You don't need to be an expert. You get to learn the skills on your way. And seeing that the online world is ever changing, the community always keeps you updated with the latest stuff. When digital marketing is combined with attraction marketing and it all runs through an automated funnel, life just becomes simpler. If you're ready to learn more, comment ready and I'll send you my free Freedom Formula blueprint explaining all the details.